Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So I wanted to make this video update on the new driver referral program. So at this point, Uber has reintroduced the driver referral program in many markets throughout the United States. They've also reintroduced the retroactive driver referral program, and I just want to throw up some screenshots as well for proof on all of this, because I know that yeah, this is new information for a lot of us, and I know with everything going on, they did pause the referral program. So if you are a driver watching this at this time and you signed up and you forgot to use the referral code, it's okay. You can still go down into this description down below. There are gonna be 7 steps for you to go ahead and apply a referral code. And this means that you will have a set number of time to do a certain number of trips. And at the end of the completion of those trips, you will get a certain amount guaranteed, or in the form of a cash bonus or guarantee. And it varies by market, and they are also changing it. So it could be a little bit different by the time you're watching this or by the time you end up doing this, but you know, it will definitely be, well, it may or may not be a certain, it could be up to like $1,000, but in some areas I do think that it is no amounts, so you can definitely try it, but again, I can't guarantee that it will work in your market. So what I can say is you can go ahead and try it out and see if it works. So the way you do it is you just go in the link, you just go in the description down below. There's no links. You do it in your Uber driver app. There's like 7 steps. You can know it can work in like a minute or 2. But what I did want to say is that you have 7 days, and I'll try to find a screenshot for this, but usually it's like 100 trips, 200 trips, 300 trips, whatever, within a month, 2 months, 3 months, whatever it is. If you haven't completed those number of trips yet, so let's say it's 200 trips. If you haven't completed 200 trips yet, you can still apply the referral code to your account. They give you a time frame. If you signed up 3 years ago and you've already done 7,000 trips, I'm sorry, you can't do it. You can try, but you'll probably get denied. Which I guess there's no harm in trying. Maybe Uber will give you a chance, I don't know. So I know they have in the past, so maybe they will in the future, maybe they are. But from what I know now is that you have until that time frame you complete those trips. And again, it could vary, it varies between every single market. So it could be 50 trips, 100 trips, 200, 265, or 300 are the amounts. Which is a lot of trips, but you know, you could be talking a lot of money too. $1,000, $2,000. I don't know what the promo is in your area. Or you have to do it within 7 days of hitting that amount. For Lyft, actually, I think they are doing retroactive referrals now for Lyft. Somebody messaged me saying that they reached out to Lyft and they were honoring him reaching out to support and asking for a retroactive one. So you could try, and then you'll just have to apply my information. If you get it, just send me an email and I'll help you out with that. But Lyft has never done that, so that might just have been an exception. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Have an amazing day, and I will talk to you all soon. Take care, guys. Bye.